My name is Juliet and I'm an outsourced general counsel on the Auxana attorney platform. I started my career as a litigator, and after about 5 or 6 years, I decided that that's probably not where I wanted to focus long term. And so I started to move into the business area. I worked in-house for a company, and then I also represented a large public entity as their in-house lawyer. And I supervised a lot of lawyers in that job as well. And so those are the two sort of positions in my career where I really learned the value of being in-house with a company. One of the things I really like about the kind of outsourced general counsel model is that you really get to build a relationship with the businesses that you are working with. And what that means is I don't need to, every time I take on a matter, ask you a bunch of questions, because I know inherently what you're doing inside your business. I understand what your revenue drivers are, I understand where your push points are, and I understand what areas provide a particular risk in your business. And that brings a lot of value to the entrepreneur because you're not just kind of taking an hourly lawyer. You're really partnering with a lawyer who really understands where you want to go. And it delivers just a much better service. It's really the way everyone should be able to have a general counsel. From the smallest business to the largest business, that continuity is really, really critical if you want to grow in any way, shape, or form. About a month ago, I was helping a business sell. And one of the things that was really problematic is the entrepreneur called me and there was going to be a problem with a lease. And it was going to require that she sort of still carry the lease after the business was sold. That's not an optimal situation for any business. And so she was really, really troubled by it. And it could have blown up the deal. And we sat there and we talked. We came up with about 6 different ideas between the two of us, and we were able to kind of work through the problem and get the sale closed. And that's what I really love to do, which is help businesses get where they want to go. My family was created through adoption. I have a 19-year-old and a 16-year-old and a husband and an 89-year-old father-in-law who lives with us and 8 chickens. Well, actually now we only have 7 chickens. But if you had told me I would have had any chickens, I would have told you you were out of your mind. But I do indeed have chickens. My name is Juliet Peters and I'm an outsourced, I can't talk. Sorry about that. Start again. Okay, that's true. That's true. I have to think about that for a second. I'm a city girl born and raised. So chickens, that's a big jump for me, chickens.